Let's see what's broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. Super! We need to take parts off the bulldozer.
Keep going.
Perfect. There's something wrong with the wires. To open the cover plate, rotate the switches and turn on the lights. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. That's great! Plug the wire into the right place.
Red, blue, violet, green, yellow.
You solved the problem. There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Super duper! Perfect! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. You fixed it!
All done.
Now help to assemble bulldozer. That was wonderful. Let's improve the car. We need to get to the construction site.
Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Keep going.
Congrats!